Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use custom text fonts on TikTok. If you have ever used TikTok, most likely you know that it doesn't have a lot of options when it comes to customizing fonts. However, there is one trick how you can use various non-default fonts. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can get them. Go to your browser and open the website called lingojam.com. Once you're on the website, scroll down and click on the fancy text generator. Now type in your text In the window below, you can see a lot of different options how your text can look like. Tap and hold on the text font you like in order to copy it. After that, go to TikTok. Paste your copy text where you want. For instance, I will press on the Edit Profile button. Tap Name section and paste my text here. That's it. As you can see, the text font has changed. So I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use custom text fonts on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.